Hi guys, this video is specially for the aspirants for judicial services exams who are preparing for this highly prestigious competitive exams and who have this one thought in mind. And what is that thought? I need to opt for coaching, I need to opt for a training, I need someone who can guide me, I need someone who can be a mentor for me. And you are looking for a coaching institution, maybe people who can provide you tuitions with respect to the judicial services examination. So Unacademy approached me and told me about their very own programs that they have curated for the judicial services aspirants in July only. After they approached me, I took some time and I went through the curriculum that they claimed to provide. And I was impressed. I was impressed because I think that the curriculum is such that it won't, first thing that always burdens me, that always bothers me whenever I look for some courses or something. It shouldn't be something, the curriculum shouldn't be like, shouldn't be worrisome. It shouldn't burden you with a lot of pressure. So Unacademy's curriculum is flexible. If you miss classes, you can take those classes later. You have a lot of test series going on. Like every Monday, every Tuesday, every Wednesday, every Monday you will have IPC tests, then every other day of the weekend you will have some of the other tests going on, by which you can assess your performance. Third, and the best thing that I like about them, they have a lot of batches. So if you pay the subscription fee once, you can avail benefits for every thing that's present in the app, in the Unacademy app. So you can choose the batches according to your own convenience. My personal suggestion is the new batch which is starting on 4th of August. It's called the Elite batch. And why I like it is because, one, it is for 1 year. Second, the educator, that is the person, your teacher, the person who will be teaching you through that app, has an extremely good credential. He has an extremely good standing on Unacademy. Then he'll be teaching with his entire team. Third thing, you can, if you want to opt for this batch, you can buy the subscription for 1 year. And if you'll buy for 1 year, that is 12 months, you'll already get 1 month subscription free. That means you're getting it for 13 months. So you can spend your rest of the 1 month in your revision and revising your concepts, going through your concepts, brushing those again, saving your notes and everything. Notes also, you will get notes as well. You will surely get notes for each topic. Nobody gives you that guarantee. Then your doubts will surely be solved. If you have a doubt, then it will be addressed by the faculty present over there. Nobody gives that guarantee. So why I am suggesting that is because I loved the guarantees that they are providing. And I think because they're new in the field and because they are trying to come up with innovative methods, even students will like them. Even they will put in more efforts to make them better each day. They really took efforts and pains to explain this whole concept to me. I was really curious before telling it to you all. क्योंकि मुझे ज़रूर मेक श्योर ये करना चाहिए कि अगर मैं आपको कोई चीज़ बता रही हूँ तो उसे मैंने पर्सनली देखा है और पर्सनली टेस्ट करने की कोशिश की है, जो कि मैंने की है. अगर आप भी चाहो तो, मैं नहीं बोल रही कि मेरे कहने से आप कुछ भी कर लो, बट अगर चाहो तो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में अनअकैडमी की वेबसाइट का लिंक है और उसमें आपको बहुत सारे कोर्सेज़ भी मिल जाएंगे. जो मैंने आपको एलीट बैच रिकमेंड किया 4th of August को, जो स्टार्ट हो रहा है अनअकैडमी का फॉर 1 year, वो भी आपको वहाँ से देखोगे तो आप उसके थ्रू मिल जाएगा. तो ट्राई इट वंस योर सेल्फ. नहीं पसंद आए तो मत करना.